Hello, in front of me I've got Glorious Model Auto Pro. In this video I'll show you how to create macro. To create macro, let's go to Glorious Core app, key binding, and first select button you would like to assign macro to, for example this one. Next, select macro, new macro, and select cycle method. Repeat while holding or toggle. Now simply tap start recording and record macro. Tap stop recording and save macro. Now assign it. Confirm and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.